Hi, in today's video I'm going to unbox this tool that I purchased on Amazon. There is a payment plan for it as available that enables you to pay in 3 installments. So let's see what we get for our money.
Yardforce is a better-known brand on the continent where their product range is available in hardware stores. Their pruning saws, trimmers, lawnmowers and power stations are known for being affordable and trustworthy. As you can see, this tool has a 7.2 volt battery that you can charge from a 9 volt charger through an AC cord. There is a 170 millimeter blade to cut hedges and a 93 millimeter one for cutting grass. The whole thing costs £39 right now, and with the 3 months payment plan you pay about 13 quid a month. That is really cheap. This is a really handy tool and you can make good use of it, which I will definitely do. That I'm going to show you in my next video.